In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move Steam games to another hard drive. So this is very easy and you can do it inside of Steam. So open up Steam, then go to the top left-hand corner to Steam, click on it and then go to settings. Once you're inside of settings, go to storage. And what you can do now is you can choose your current drive. So currently I'm using the local drive, C drive, and I've got CSGO installed on the C drive. If I wanted to move CSGO to another drive, I could go ahead and click on this drop down menu and you may see all of your other drives here. If you don't, you can click add drive and then you can go ahead and choose from this downwards arrow. If it still isn't there, you can click let me choose another location and you can add it manually. Because I only have this USB stick, I can just go ahead and add that. Once you've added your drive, go ahead and select it. Then go ahead and choose the drive from this drop down menu. And you can then go ahead and click on move once you select another drive. I don't have another drive to demonstrate, but that's how you would do it. You can then click move and it will move that file over. Hope that video helped. Leave a like and comment if it did.